scared, huh? I can see you. You are following the instructions very properly. Very good. And today is our civics lesson. Come on, let's start our lesson. Okay, once again, welcome to today's online class. Very good morning to all of you. Questioning session first. Be ready to mute and unmute your mic. If you want to answer, raise your hands. Okay. How many schools are there in your school building? Name them. Who is ready to give answer?
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes.
जू गांधीग्राम MPS, जू गांधीग्राम हिंदी शाळा,
Very
जू
good.
गांधीग्राम मराठी शाळा.
Very good. Okay. So, as you told just now, in a single same school building of yours, there are many more schools together. So as you all told, there are more than one, or else we can say many schools in a one school building. So next, what do you share commonly with other school students of your school building? What are the things that are common for you and other school students of your same school building? Yes, Neeraj?
Teacher, rules.
Rules, okay, very good. Common rules are for you. I want physical things, beta. Physically, which is available in your school building.
Miss,
Yes?
we share our things that they have not carrying their things, so we have given, and someone ill, so we have given that homework on their what
Yes,
does
very
they
good,
are
very good.
attend.
But
They have missed.
exactly, just I want to know that is your school timing and their school timing same or different? Yes,
Teacher,
yes.
same. Some
Same
different
school
also.
timing. Ha, those school which are having different timing, do they share classrooms with them? In the same classroom, do they sit?
No.
No, they have different classrooms.
Yes.
Okay, just I want to clarify that in few school buildings, it's not in your school, but in other school buildings, in the same classroom, morning it may be an English medium school and afternoon it may be a Hindi medium school. So they share commonly classroom, water room, toilet, and even you all share same playground if I'm not wrong. You all have same playground. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes, very good. And you all have same auditorium or hall.
Yes.
Yes. So these are the things which you share in your with your other school students in the same school building. See. So uh, please mute your mic, Neeraj.
Yes.
Okay. So playground, water room, toilets, classrooms, hall, etc. You all share with them. Okay, next. How do we behave or mingle with the students of other medium schools in our same school building? Yes, Pankini, you can say beta.
Miss, we behave like a good girl or boy because they are also our
Friends.
means
Yeah.
they are also in our society, and they are also our friends and members of our school. So we have to behave like good girl or good boy.
Okay, very good. But is it possible that always you are behaving like a good boy or good girl? There may be some quarrel or dispute, na? Disagreements while playing together in the playground. while you were sitting in the hall to view any function, there may be some disagreement. Am I right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, at that time you go to your class teacher or you listen to your teacher or principal or HM. Neeraj, mute your mic, beta. Okay, so you behave very friendly, but sometimes there are disagreements too. But you all mature students, very good student, as you told that you behave like a good boy or girl. So you all are together. You all study together in that same school building, correct? Good. Similarly, in our country too, there are many languages, religions, beliefs, traditions, etc. In our country too, there are many states, many language, many religion. Am I right? Are you all following me? But we all are united by the name Indians. But all together, what we have named? Yes, Indians. Very good. So, today we will learn more about unity in diversity.
Yes, unity and diversity.
Okay. Mute your mic, Pooja. Good girl. So, today topic is unity in diversity. I'm your civics teacher, Idaya Venkatesan. Okay, first word unity. Unity means to remain united or joined as a whole or one. We all are different. Maybe our languages are different, our costumes are different, our traditions, customs are different, but still we are united as one or joined as a whole. That is unity. Now, diversity. Diversity means difference in religion, tradition, belief, languages, difference. In a one word, we can say diversity means difference. It may be caste difference, gender difference, religion, language, belief, tradition. It may be whatever it may be. The difference which occur in our society is diversity. So, how these two opposite words bring a meaning to our topic? Let's study how these two opposite words together bring a sense. Let's start. Diversity is our strength. We all are diverse. There are many different culture, tradition, language in our society, but that diversity is the strength of our country. To live with different group is to experience coexistence. Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
To live with different groups is to experience coexistence. It helps to understand people better. Miss. Hello, Miss.
Tradition, language, we are that difference, that diversity of our country is our country's strength. Now, to live with different group is to experience coexistence. I want few of the students to unmute their mic and repeat this word after me. Coexistence. Yes, Pankini, unmute yourself.
Coexistence.
Yes, coexistence means to live together along with other group of the society. Other group which are available in our society, to live along with them. That is co.
To
Along with them,
leave the
we exist. Along
to
with them,
live
we
with
exist.
different
We live.
groups to
You no need to repeat this, beta. Just I
experience.
want you all to repeat that word coexistence. Okay?
Okay, teacher. Coexistence.
Okay. You can mute yourself now.
Coexistence.
Very good. Very good. You can mute yourself now. So, is to live with different group is to experience coexistence. It helps to understand people better. We understand the people who are different from us, from religion, caste, or language. We understand them by living together with them in the same society. Diversity helps us to know about each other's tradition, custom, and way of life. As we all live together here, what are the other tradition or custom that you learned from your society? Can anybody share? Other than your tradition, your custom, what you came to know with the help of diversity?
Miss, with the diversity, we can know
Yes.
about their culture, languages, and we can know their languages. And we have get a chance with to know other languages and explore that places and
Wow.
how they live, how their cultures, and how they wear, and how they eat, and what thing they eat. So we can
Very good.
understand very things.
Very good, very good. An awesome answer from you, Pankini. Very good. Keep it up, beta. So, may I know what different thing you learned from the society or from our diversity of our country? Few things that you may learn from. Yeah, say Pankini.
Teacher, can I
Wait.
tell?
Yeah,
I have
Neeraj.
learned.
Wait. I will give you chance. Pankini, you share first.
Okay, Miss, I have learned with the my society how the means I live in Mumbai, so I have learned very
Just a minute, beta.
languages.
Wait. Which language you learned other than your mother tongue, or which is taught in your school? Other language have you learned from the society? Yeah. Yeah, say.
Can I?
Yeah, Neeraj, you can
Miss,
say.
I have learned
Wait,
Hindi.
wait, Pankini. Just Neeraj want to try. Yes, Neeraj, you can say.
Teacher, we learn Marathi.
That is taught in our school. Other than that,
Yes.
yes, Pankini.
Miss, I have learned
Yes.
some words and some tongues of Gujaratis, and I
Wow.
have learned Hindi also, and I have worked in English also.
Okay, very good. Which are the festival that you celebrate, Pankini?
Miss, I have celebrate all festivals with the very happiness because I like all festivals.
Okay, this was the answer I was expecting. Though it was not your festival, though it was not your language which is spoken in your home, you are learning other languages, you are celebrating other festivals which is not in your tradition. Am I right? This was the thing which diversity help us to know about each other's tradition, custom, and ways of life. Understood? Very good. Now mute your mic. We learn to respect each other's way of life. We used to respect each other. Even though we are not celebrating Eid, we used to respect that festival and we used to maintain the discipline for them. Am I right? Even we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, even though other religion are not celebrating that, they also respect our festivals. Am I right? We learn to respect each other's way of life. We even adopt certain traditions from others. This helps to increase the feeling of unity in the society. So by respecting each other, by understanding each other's feeling, and by doing cooperation to each other, by helping and sharing with each other, the feeling of unity increases in our society. Understood? Good. The social unity helps us to face many natural and social calamities together. See, if we are remain united, we can face whatever the problem comes in front of us. Am I right? You all have learned that story, I think so. Unity is strength. Am I right? One old man have 4 sons. They were quarreling among each other. He gave
Yes,
them
teacher.
sticks. They broken the stick easily. But when he tied the stake together, they were not able to broke that stake. This story everyone knows, I think so. Am I right? Yes. Yes, very good. So, to
Teacher, we
be,
studied in third standard.
yeah, very good. So, just I want to recollect that story for you here. So, by remaining united, we can face whatever the problem which arises for us, for our country, or for, it may be a natural or social. Both the calamities we can face together by remaining united. Very good. All are smart kids. Now, here is a pic for you. Anybody can say what are the festivals you can see here?
Teacher, Deepavali,
Yes,
Onam,
yes,
Pongal,
yes,
Holi.
yes. What is this?
Teacher, Holi.
And what is this? Holi. What is this?
This is uh, it is
Punjabi
called
festival
it is
Lori. Yeah, I
Punjabi
think so.
festival.
Yeah.
Lori.
What is this?
This is Eid.
Very good. Durga Puja. This is from Bengal.
Dur-
This is Janmashtami. Okay, very good.
Dashera.
Yeah, these all are the festival which belong to different religion, different state, and we the whole country together celebrate all festivals together. The principle of secularism. Now the important word secularism. Repeat after me and just mute yourself. Unmute yourself and suddenly after repeating the words you can mute yourself. Secularism.
Secularism.
Very good. Now, what is secularism? India is an important secular nation of the world. In the world, India is one of the important nation or country which follows secularism. Understood? India is an important secular nation of the world. Now, what is secularism? Secular means not to follow a single religion. Okay, we don't have any particular religion named in front of our country. There are all kind of religion together we live in our country. We no need to follow even a single religion. As per our choice, we can worship the God. That is secularism. In order to preserve this diversity in a sound and healthy manner, to protect our diversity without any dispute, we have followed secularism. We have accepted the principle of secularism. No religion is recognized as the religion of our country. Got it? In front of our country, we can't name even a single religion because we all are living together here. There are variety of religion in our country. Okay. Every person has freedom to worship as per their religion or the religion of their choice. You can worship any religion, you can follow any religion or worship any god as per your choice or your religion. Nobody can force you that you have to follow this religion and you have to worship this god. It's your choice. As per your religion, as per your wish, you have the full freedom to worship according to your choice. There can be no discrimination among the people on the basis of their religion. No discrimination means no partiality. Got it? Nobody can do a discrimination to you that you are following such religion, so you won't get this opportunity, you won't do this thing. It's not happens in our country. No discrimination among people on the basis of their religion. The people of all religions are treated equally by the state. Our country treats every religion as equal. Everyone got equal opportunity for education, job, whatever it may be. Equal opportunity is given to each and every religion people. Opportunities for education, means of livelihood and government jobs are made available to all. It's not like that Hindus are getting more government jobs, Muslims are not getting, or Muslims are getting more jobs, Christians are not getting. It's not like that. Opportunities of education, livelihood, government jobs are made available to all. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion. Nobody can discriminate you on the basis of religion. There are special provisions in the Constitution for the protection of religious and linguistic minorities. Minorities means few people are lesser in quantity compared to other religion. To protect that minorities, to protect that religious feeling, our Constitution has made special provisions for them. Minorities are free to protect and preserve their linguistic and cultural identities. They even have the equal right to protect their language and to follow their culture and to maintain their culture and language. They have full freedom. They can preserve it. They can protect it. They are also free to bring about the development of their own communities through education. Even they have the freedom to educate their group of communities by their own. They have full freedom to develop their community. Okay? The principle of secularism has helped to maintain religious harmony in society. So by this way, there is no quarrel or dispute among one another religion. All are remaining united. Harmony means to remain friendly with each other. Okay, the principle of secularism has helped to maintain religious harmony in the society, in Indian society. Now, anybody can observe the picture and explain what does it mean. Yes, Pankini?
Means
Teacher,
cooperation.
Yes?
Means cooperation means we want to share our problems or our things with other also.
To cooperate each other. Very good. And next word?
Tolerance.
Yes, tolerance means?
Tolerance means we want to live with other also, not our inside our with
Yes.
our only culture also.
Yes, tolerance means even if we don't like it, but it is others' tradition or other want to follow that, we have to accept it, even if we don't like it. Okay, that is tolerance. And next, somebody else? Somebody else?
teacher, can I tell?
Yes?
Individual roles.
Yes, individual roles. As we are living together with many people in our society, we have to perform our own individual role along with them. Understood? And what are these? This is contribution of society to our development. By performing these things, we can contribute to our society or society contribute to us for our development. Got it? Once again, I'm saying we have to cooperate with each other. Along by doing cooperation, we have to live with others. Tolerance, even if though we don't like anything, but it is a tradition, or if other want to perform that action, we have to tolerate that. We have to accept the thing as it is. And individual roles. A small pic for you now. Cooperation is the process of, as just Pankani said, we have to share our things, we have to help each other. So cooperation is the process of sharing and helping each other in solving problems and removing difficulties. Got it? If we have some problem, we have to share with others, we have to discuss, and then we have to solve our problems. And we have to share the things whichever we are having with others. It is a process of inclusion and of moving ahead, taking along all sections of society. Important point. It's not that alone we have to develop in our society. We have to take along all other communities together. We all along together have to develop together in the society. It is a process of inclusion and of moving ahead, move ahead to progress, taking along all sections of society. We have to progress together by carrying all sections of our society together. We have to progress, we have to move ahead. Tolerance and understanding. We have to understand each other's feeling. We have to respect each other's feeling, and then we have to move ahead. Just as there is a cooperation in society, so also that times there can be differences of opinion, disputes and conflict. There may be a mismatch of opinion. If somebody is deciding something, somebody can say, no, this decision is wrong, we have to follow that. So difference in opinion, dispute or conflicts may occur. It's not possible that always we live as a friendly with each other. There is always we are performing cooperation. As we are individual, we think differently. There may be a opinion difference between us. There may be dispute can occur between us. Disputes and conflicts arise when there is lack of agreement in opinion, when our thinking varies, differs, and that we don't want to follow each other's opinion. At that time, dispute or conflict occur. Ideas and views of the people are different. Prejudices or misconceptions about each other can also lead to conflict. So these are the things by which we can't cooperate with each other, or sometimes we can't tolerate with each other. So disagreement, difference in opinions occur, and by understanding each other, by feeling and respecting each other's feeling, we can resolve these conflict and disputes. People find a way to resolve conflicts through compromise and understanding. We compromise with each other, we adjust with each other, and we understand, we respect each other's feeling, and then we can solve the problem by sitting and discussing with each other. Got it? Not by quarreling, not by fighting. Okay, good. Thus conflicts can end and people show a spirit of tolerance. This way, even if we are disagree with each other's opinion, then to be obey that point of spirit, that spirit is known as tolerance. An opportunity to perform different roles. Just now we have learned that cooperation, tolerance and different role, individual roles. What are our roles? We will see. Each individual has several roles, and the responsibilities and duties of every role are well defined. We know as a student, you are not only student, you have many more roles to perform in the society. We have to perform that all responsibilities and duties for our society. While playing those roles at home and outside, we form bonds with many people. We come to interact with many people and we form bonds with many people. See, who will explain this pic for me? Whatever you are understanding. Yes, Pankini? Yes?
Miss, this picture is telling about our society. There was a circle in mid. This is called it as their mid picture have
just observe the
name
picture
as
carefully. What is this? What is written here?
you.
That is you.
Miss,
You children are here. And what are your roles as a student? And here, and very good. And in your home, you are son or daughter. You are son or daughter of your parents. And you are again a son or daughter for your grandparents. Yes, anybody else want to answer? Can unmute your mic.
Yes, Miss I
Yes, you can say, beta.
Granddaughter of
Yes.
your grandparents.
And here you are?
Member of your friend circle in your school.
You are one of the friends in your school. And here?
class representative.
Maybe all are not class representative, but you represent your class, na? In important discussion, you also give suggestion to your class monitor, to your teacher. You share your opinion in the class. So you are a class representative. And here?
Person.
Sports person. You may when you are playing.
Yes.
Yes. When you are playing in the playground, you are sports person. Okay, mute your mic. There is disturbance. Mute your mic. Very good. Cleanliness ambassador. You all clean your school. You all keep your surrounding clean, your home clean, your society clean. So you are a cleanliness ambassador. Member of Friends of Children Society. There are not only friends in your school, in your neighbor, in your society also you are a friend. So a single child is performing so many roles. Am I right? Got it? So we have to, when we perform such role, we come with contact with other members, many members, and we form bond with many people in the society. I want to show you a small video. Wait. Okay. Okay. Anyone have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. No? Okay. Now I will ask you a few questions from the lesson. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Wait. We are in another slide. Okay. Fill in the blank. To live among a variety of mute yourself, mute yourself. Pooja, mute yourself. Okay. To live among a variety of communities is to experience dash. What we experience by living together with others. Yes, Pankini?
Miss,
Hmm?
we experience diversity of strength.
No. Some other word which I made you to repeat after me. Just remember, recollect.
Community.
Yes, Pooja?
Cooperation.
Near about the answer, but it's not cooperation. It's something
Coextension.
Okay. Now repeat after me. Coexistence.
Sorry.
What is that? Coexistence. To exist along with other people in the community who are different from us. That is coexistence. Okay? Very good. Now, India is an important dash nation of the world. Important dash nation of the world. Vaibhav? Vaibhav, you can answer. Rutuja? Okay, Pankini, you say.
Miss, India is an important circular nation of the world.
You are correct, but the pronunciation is wrong. It's not circular, it's secular. Repeat after me.
Secular.
Secular. S-E-C-U-L-A-R. Secular.
Secular.
Very good. Very good. Mute yourself now. Okay, diversity is our yes, Aarti. Aarti can say this answer.
Strength.
Very good. Now mute yourself, beta. Very good. Diversity is our strength. You all gave the answers correctly. I think it's time for homework now. I'm repeating lines for you. To live among a variety of communities is to experience coexistence. India is an important secular nation of the world. Diversity is our strength. Now your homework. Note down your homework. When you see two children quarreling, what you would do? Write down the answer. At that situation, when you see two of the children are quarreling among themselves, fighting among themselves, what you would do? Write it down, okay, in your notebook. And second one is, make a list of all the rules you follow in the school and in your class and display the chart in your class. Now it's not possible to display the chart in your class. You just list down the rules in your notebook. Got it? What are the rules you follow in school? Anybody else want to ask any question? You all understand the homework? What you have to do? Aarti?
No, miss, but one means.
Yes.
What means? Wait, no means.
What happened?
1 minute wait. To...
Okay. Copy down the homework or take a snapshot. Okay. I'm waiting for you all. You show your thumb like this. Or by using your... Okay, very good. You can use your Zoom app thumb too.
टीचर
Yes?
जो आपने फ्लिंग द ब्लैंक्स करा है ना वो एक बार दिखा दो ना.
Fingerprint क्या है ऐसा?
यस टीचर. नहीं मेरे को
All are finished? Okay, very good. I think Vijay sir, we are finished.
Kids, thank you, teacher.
Thank you, students.
We have a YouTube channel for you, and the name of the channel is BMC Edu English Standard 6. Please watch this channel, share the link, and watch this channel, subscribe this channel, and share it to others. Thank you very much.